guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the deals inside CVS. Normally this is going to be posted on Friday, but with the holidays everything is all over the place. So you can expect to have this video uploaded on Friday mornings is going to be my regular schedule. So I'm just going to hop into it. So I hope everyone had a fantastic holiday and happy early new year to everyone. So the soft soap body washes, these guys are priced for 2 for $7. Regular price on these are $4.99. So they are priced 2 for $7 and you're going to get a $4 extra care buck back when you buy two, making them 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. So if you check the soft soap website, they do have a area for coupons, and I tried to print it and then it gave me like an error message. So I'm actually going to be contacting soft soap probably on the 2nd, because I don't know if they're going to be in tomorrow. They probably won't, but I'm going to contact them on the 2nd and let them know that they have coupons advertised for us, but we're not able to print them, and I'm going to request that they fix that. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. So the next deal that is a great one is the soft soap hand soap. So this is on the 7.5 through 11.25 ounce. So when you see a deal like this, always go for the bigger bottle if it's the same price. So these guys are priced for $1.99 on sale. Regular price is $3.49, and everyone's getting a $1 coupon from the red machine. So you just scan your extra care card and everyone's going to get that coupon. If you're not getting those coupons that are advertised, definitely call your CVS and let them know, because in the ad, if it specifies that everyone is supposed to be getting that coupon, then you should be getting it too. So if you're not getting that coupon sent to you, then you need to call them and tell them, hey, give me my coupon, what's going on? So final cost is 99 cents. So the bummer with the soft soap website is they do have a 50-cent printable coupon, and if it was working correctly, that would make these 49 cents. But I tried to print mine and it didn't print. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys have had any luck when it comes to printing those. So come on, soft soap, get it together. All right, you guys, so I'm going to do a Physicians Formula deal. So there are tons of Physicians Formula on clearance, but those clearance items are not going to trigger extra care bucks, so just be careful with that. I saw that the Healthy Foundation and the Healthy Lift, they are not getting rid of it. I'm assuming because it's not clearanced out. So something that I've been using for the past almost 2 months is this Physicians Formula 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm. This is fantastic, and it's also a cruelty-free brand. So I'm starting to pay a little bit more attention when it comes to that in terms of which companies are testing, which are not. I'm not going to, you know, switch over completely, but because there are just so many products out there. But in terms of like the cosmetics, I'm going to be a little bit more mindful of ingredients and animal testing and such. So what you can do is purchase the Physicians Formula 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm for $14.99, and you're going to get a $10 extra care buck when you spend $15 or more. I think that's what it is. Yeah, you spend $15 or more and you get a $10 extra care buck. So that $14.99 is enough to trigger the extra care buck. So it's like you're paying $4.99, and then if you have a 4 off 15 CRT or any type of cosmetic CRTs, definitely pair it here to make for a better deal. Okay, so you're gonna see a lot of vitamin deals now, because once the first of the year hits, that means everyone wants to get healthy. So you're gonna see a ton of vitamin deals. So I'm gonna highlight the CVS brand of vitamins because there are no coupons yet for any of the Nature's Bounty or the Nature's Made, but if you prefer those, you can opt for those. But I'm gonna share with you guys 2 supplements that you should be taking if you are considering the keto diet. So first is the potassium supplement, which is priced for $5.79, and also the magnesium supplement. This is priced for $4.79. So they're buy one get one free. So you buy one for $5.79, and then you can get the second one for free. So you get both of them for $5.79, which is a really good deal. Something else I want to highlight is vitamin E oil. So you guys, if you are currently pregnant, this is something that you can actually apply onto your skin and help prevent stretch marks, or if you're getting new stretch marks, I would highly suggest you apply this. Also, this helps fade scars. So if you know you're going to get a surgery coming up, or you're just prone to getting scars for whatever reason, then you can go ahead and pick this up and apply it onto the skin. So this is a nice one to have in your medicine cabinets. Also, other supplements that are suggested while you're on the keto diet is calcium and sodium and vitamin D, but all you really need to do is go outside and you can get some natural vitamin D. So if you're in a climate that is pretty overcast throughout the winter time, then maybe opt for a vitamin D supplement. Also with the sodium, all you need to do is add a little bit more salt to your food and you would be okay. Cinnamon is actually a really good supplement to be taking too if you have a lot of inflammation. So if you have some skin issues, try taking some cinnamon because it's an anti-inflammatory. So I'm just trying to give you guys some tips on how you can utilize some of these supplements. Okay, you guys, so we have a fantastic deal in the Listerine section. So it's spend $10, get $5 back in extra care bucks. So everything is included, you guys, even the little like breath mints. So another keto tip, if you're on the keto diet, you are gonna get some pretty smelly breath when you're in ketosis. That's a sign you're in ketosis, is that you have some really funky breath. So if you were starting the keto diet, then definitely get some mouthwash. So the Listerine that I suggest you pick up is the 500 milliliters. So it's priced for $5.99. So pick up 2 of them for $11.98. You can print $2 off 1 coupons from the Healthy Essentials website. So you'll end up paying, and then if you have a 2 off 6 CRT like I got this printed this morning, you'll take a total of $4 off. So $2 in manufacturer coupons and $2 in the CRT. So you'll end up paying $7.98, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making them $2.98 for 2 or $1.49 each, which is a great deal. And then also look out for the Listerine Zero Alcohol. So if you want to be conscious of things with alcohol, then this would be a good item to pick up. Also the Listerine Healthy White is a fantastic product too. I've tried it, love it. So yeah, Listerine, great deal this week. All right, you guys, so you know I love me a good Nexus deal. So Nexus and the Love Beauty Planet line, it is priced for, when you spend $20, you get a $10 extra care bucks. So I always suggest you pick up the Nexus Color Assure line. So if you have color treated hair, this is the stuff you want to be using. So my store has this price for $21.49. Now I have a 4 off 18 CRT for shampoo and conditioner. So with this scenario, I'll end up paying $17.49, then I get that $10 extra care buck back, making it $7.49. So we're starting from $21.49 down to $7.49, which is a really great deal. Also, something that's a good deal is the Love Beauty and Planet. I actually have the lavender scent, and I use it on my daughter Scarlett too. So it's a really great line if you're looking for a new hair care line here at the drugstore. Okay guys, so you're going to be seeing a ton of clearance in the hair care aisle. So the brands that run extra care bucks, they're not going to trigger the extra care buck if you buy clearance items, but you can use your CRTs. So I have a 4 off 18 CRT for hair care, so I could get $18 worth of clearance hair care and then still use that CRT to take an additional $4 off. So just another idea. And then there's a 25-cent Ibotta rebate for any shampoo. So there are tons of things you could be picking up. So there's tons from the John Frieda line. I'm seeing some from the Mark Anthony line. There's some from the Nexus line. Just check your aisles. There's tons of clearance here. So if you're looking for a chocolate deal, there's some pretty good there's a pretty good deal on the Lindt chocolate. So this is the 70% cocoa chocolate. So it's priced for 2 for $5 or $2.50 each when you buy 2 of them. So you must buy 2 of them to get the 2 for $5 price. And so if you guys are following the keto diet, this is very comparable to the Lily's chocolate. So, you know, you can have 4 squares of that if you are just in need of a little chocolate. Now this is, that is something that is not strict keto, but I don't follow strict keto because your girl needs a little chocolate here and there. So that is something I will splurge on if I am, you know, desperate. So this week is P&G week here at CVS. So tons of items are on a spend 30, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So the first scenario I'm going to do is just on the baby products, because some of you guys may just come in here just for that. So this first scenario is going to be on Pampers. So the Pampers are priced 2 for $20, but you must buy 2 of them. So my scenario is to go ahead, let me get to my breakdown here. So what you want to do is go ahead and buy 4 of the Pampers for $40, and inside of our P&G for January, there is a 4 off 2 coupon you can use, and you can use 2 of them. So go ahead and buy 4 of them for $40. You'll take $8 off with the P&G coupons, so you'll pay $32 and get $10 back in extra care bucks. So that makes them 4 for $22 or $5.50 each. Now, you may think, wow, that's kind of expensive for a pack of diapers, but you know what? The starting price is $12.99. So following this breakdown, you get them for $5.50. So I'm sure you can get better deals elsewhere, but these are just the deals I'm focusing on CVS. So, you know, if you have a CVS right down the road and you don't want to go, you know, farther to go to a Target or a Walmart, this would be a good option for you. So not a bad deal. So the next deal that I love that rolls around here is on the CVS brand formulas. So they're priced buy one, get one half off, and they're also spend $30 and get $10 back in extra care bucks. So this is a great deal. So what you could do is actually buy 2 of these CVS brand. This is the 22.5 ounce. You guys compare the ingredients on the back of the other name brands, and you'll be shocked when you see that they're the exact same ingredients. So you can go ahead and buy 2 of them, and then you're gonna get a $10 extra care buck back, and then combine any CRTs that you may have for baby food or formula, and this would make for an even better deal. CVS is running a really good promo on their Total Home brand, so I have a breakdown of a few different things that you guys can go ahead and pick up. So the first thing I suggest you pick up is the gallon trash bags. So this is the 90 count of trash bags. They're priced for $14.99, and then go ahead and pick up one of the 100 count of Total Home snack bags. So these guys are priced for $3.79. And go ahead and pick up a mini go ahead and pick up the mini bags as well. So these guys are priced for $4.99. Okay, so the next thing you want to pick up is the Total Home 18 bag gallon Ziploc bag. So these guys are priced for $3.39. And then go ahead and pick up a roll of the aluminum foil. So aluminum foil is priced for $3.99. And I think that is it. So our total we're gonna get to is $31.15. So I have a breakdown, don't worry. And then you're gonna get a $10 extra care buck back, making everything $21.15. So just to recap, you're gonna get some trash bags, you're gonna get a few storage bags, and you're gonna get some foil. So I think this is a really great time to stock up on items like this. Also take this time to get some of the Total Home dish detergent pods. You can also get some sponges. There's so many different things you guys can get. It's basically spend $30 and get $10. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you guys some grocery deals. So the Campbell's Chunky Soups, these guys are priced 2 for $4 or $2 each, but you must buy 2 to get that 2 for $4 price. You can also opt for Progresso, so these guys are priced 3 for $4. We also have a deal on the Dole fruit cups. They're priced for $1.99. We also have the Gold Emblem Abound products. These guys are buy one, get one 50% off. All of the Gold Emblem Abound products in the grocery aisle are buy one, get one 50%. So this is a nice time to pick up some of the higher ticket items. So you could, you know, if you use a lot of honey, this is a good deal right here. Also going into also things like spray olive oil is great to pick up. Also vinegar, so if you guys are into like apple cider vinegar and whatnot, just check out your Gold Emblem Abound products. Coconut oil. My suggestion for you guys all the time is to use your extra care bucks that you are earning from like beauty products and baby products and stuff, is to flip them over and buy groceries with them. So that's always my favorite way to CVS. And if you didn't know, you can use your extra care bucks on eggs because that's poultry and not dairy. So yeah, just thought I would share that with you guys. Definitely utilize your extra care bucks and pick up groceries because the pharmacies have great prices for groceries. So speaking of groceries, the Kellogg cereal, this is priced for $1.99. Let's see. And also the like protein snack bars are also $1.99. And we have a printable $1 off 3 coupon on coupons.com, and then you could send one to your CVS app. So what you would want to do is buy 3 of them for $5.97. Use that $1 off 1 coupon either from printing it or on the CVS app. So your final cost is $1.65 each. And then there are Ibotta rebates. So there are 35-cent cashback Ibotta rebates that you can submit up to 5 times. So this is a really great deal. And again, you can do this on the cereal, but you can also do it on the bars and the protein bites as well. So we have some coffee deals for you guys here at CVS. So the McCafe coffee, the bagged coffee, as well as the K-Cups. These guys are priced for $4.99. Regular price is $9.99. And also included is the Gevalia brand. So So you can do the bagged or the K-Cups. They are both $4.99. So if you guys got some K-Cup machines for Christmas, I know Santa Jeff sent quite a few of those out. So this would be a good time to stock up on some coffee pods and bagged coffee. Okay, so the last deal I'm going to share with you guys here is on Irish Spring. So the Irish Spring body washes, as well as the 6-pack bar soaps. These are priced for $3.99 on sale, and you're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy one, making them $1.99, and this is a limit of 3 per household. So I think that's a great deal. So these are all the deals I'm going to share with you guys this week here at CVS. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. And something else that I want you guys to start doing is leave products in the description, or leave comments in the comment section to let me know what items you want me to review, because I'm going to be doing reviews on my channel every single week of different products, and I want to know from you guys what you guys want me to review, because you really love when I try out different drugstore items, and I'm like your test bunny basically. So make sure you comment those below so I can start making a list. So I hope you guys have a fantastic New Year's, and I love you all, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.